Moto G62 receives price reduction in India. Check out latest price, offers, more. For those contemplating purchasing a mid-range Motorola smartphone, now may be the ideal time to do so. Lenovo-owned smartphone manufacturer has lowered the price of its Moto G62 5G smartphone, available in two variants, both of which have received a price cut. Moto G62 5G, new price and offers. Launched in August 2022, the Moto G62 5G is available in two RAM versions, 6GB and 8GB, priced at 17,999 rupees and 19,999 rupees, respectively. The 6GB RAM variant has been discounted by 2,000 rupees and can now be purchased for 15,999 rupees, while the 8GB variant has received a price cut of 5,000 rupees and can be purchased for 16,999 rupees. Customers can select from two color options, Midnight Grey and Frosted Blue, for this 5G-enabled smartphone. In addition, the smartphone manufacturer is also offering deals to its buyers. Customers purchasing the smartphone via MobiKwik will receive a cashback of 1,000 rupees. Meanwhile, ICICI Bank credit card users will receive a discount of 1,000 rupees on the Moto G62. Moto G62 specifications. The Moto G62 is equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset, coupled with up to 8GB of RAM. The smartphone provides 128GB internal storage, which can be extended up to 1TB by adding a micro SD card. The Moto G62 features a 6.55-inch FHD Plus display, with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display also includes a 120Hz refresh rate and a 20:9 aspect ratio. The Motorola smartphone, which supports 5G, operates on the Android 12 operating system, enhanced with the company's MyUX layer. The Moto G62 supports hybrid dual SIM and has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. The mid-range smartphone is equipped with a triple rear camera setup, featuring a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture, and 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, and a 2MP macro shooter with f2.4 aperture. On the front, the phone features a 16MP selfie camera with f2.45 aperture. Moto G60. Dynamic Grey, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. Moto G82. Meteorite Grey, 6GB RAM, 128GB storage. Rose Gold, 4MB RAM, 4MB storage. The Moto G62 features an IP52 rating, providing the smartphone with splash resistance. The device is powered by a 5000 mAh battery, which supports 20W turbocharging.